this product today is Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. That's ANLAN. As you can see, the packaging tiny and beautiful pinky. I choose pink because I like pink color, but there is another color, white and green also, and you can easily find. It's not expensive product. I never goes to the expensive product. As you can see, these products have very nice and small cover. It's very important for me. When buy something, I very careful about the packaging, the quality, the design, and also it's not the heavy stuff. You can easily put in your baggage and go for vacation. There is another smallest charger, USB charger, that's for this product. Before using this, hydrate your skin, and after that use these products. Now I want to show you there's a 4 steps and 4 functions for using these products in your skin. It depends on your skin. Maybe you need this ultrasonic more than the other function stuff. It's really depends on your skin. It's a cover head that's you can put it away, and there is a head that's for using the function. You have to be careful about the direction of using this product and also the way of using the head. And before I start to use and turn on these products, I want to just show you that for first step for using this ultrasonic, this function number 1 ultrasonic is just using for cleaning, deep cleaning your skin. With 1 second, keeping this button, we can turn off your device. For first step, we have very well using these products and or another serums for hydration your skin. Right now I'm show you because I need very well hydrate my skin. As you can see, I use this twice in the morning and in evening. I'm very satisfied from this product, not so heavy, and I like it. Okay, after that you use the ultrasonic first function, and for this step you have to use this direction of the head of the machine with 20 and 30 degree. Move forward. Never use this product in your dry skin, and cleaning your skin very well. And for going to the next step, you have to very well cleaning the head. Direction, move forward in your very well hydrate your skin with serums, mostly with serums or with water for water mist, but this direction of the head of the products. And after that, cleaning very well with water your skin, and move forward to the next step. That I love this step because you can use this step, that's importing steps, with some sheet mask or layer of the mask in your skin. and very well massage your skin in this direction, and after that this function of these products, you have to go to the next step. Before goes to next step, you have to removing the extra serums of extra product in your skin with a pad, and after that goes to EMS pulse. With this function, your skin very well absorbed final daily routine. For example, anti-aging, you have to cover your face with anti-aging night cream, and after that you use this with this direction of head of a product for very well penetration and absorbing the product in your skin and finalize your daily products. And as you can see, it's very easy to use. It's a very beautiful product. It's with a reasonable price.